Let's be creative, let's be innovative. Friends, welcome back to Kids Innovation. And today we're going to do a fun thing. We're going to grow plants. It's going to be so fun. So let's get started. For this DIY, you'll need a shoebox and cotton wool. Put the cotton wool in the box. After putting the cotton wool in the box, take the spray bottle and spray in the shoebox. After spraying in the shoebox, take seeds and put it in the shoebox. You can take any kind of seeds you like. If you want to grow flowers, you can, but I think flowers cannot be inside this box. After putting the seeds, again, you will need the spray bottle and spray it in the shoebox again so they can grow healthy and strong. After spraying water, put the box on the side and you'll need a water bottle, a plastic water bottle. Cut it. Take the cap of the shoebox and cut it. You have to cut like this, 2 big holes. Cut the bottle with 2 parts and stick it in the shoebox. Put the cap on the box and you're done. I'm done. It will take 5 to 6 days to grow, and don't forget to give them a lot of sun and water. If you don't have cotton wool, you can use soil. I tried it and it really worked. See how healthy and strong they have grown. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget, kids, after doing anything, you should wash your hands or put sanitizer so you can be safe from coronavirus. Bye.